beautiful people of YouTube land, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neo of Ahhhsoneo, and I am doing a quick video today where I'm going to be discussing my Neverfull PM, my Louis Vuitton Neverfull PM. I'm going to be discussing the wear and tear on this bad boy. If you'd like to see how this baby wears, I would love for you to watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neo. Hi, sorry, I'm like making sure I am trying to make sure I am in focus. Wait, yeah, no, there. I think that's better. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking. So guys, first of all, hi new subbies, thank you so much for subscribing. Hi my regular subbies, thank you so much for coming back. And if anyone is new, I'd love for you to stick around. My name is Neo. I have this little small channel on YouTube. I must stop saying that. I have this channel on YouTube where I like to share my luxury experiences and so on, whether that is luxury makeup products or other items, whatever catches my fancy, really. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome. Hit the notification button so you can see all of my videos. So I have had this Louis Vuitton Neverfull PM in damier. I've had this bad boy here probably going on 5 years now, maybe 6. Disclaimer, I did buy this secondhand, I believe, if not Yogi's Closet fashion file. It's been that long, I don't remember. And this is literally my workhorse purse. I have it in my video where I talk about my top 5 most used products from last year. This was number 1. I have what's in my damier Neverfull PM video that I posted a couple months ago, and I have one that I posted about 3 or 4 years ago. So this is like my ride or die purse. I'm gonna say typically the way I use my purse is that I'll pull out a purse and then I'll use it for a week at a time. I don't change my purses daily. I just don't have the time. This one, on the weeks when I pull it out, it tends to be more than just a week. It could run into a month where I'm using this every single day. When I go out at night, I change my purses, but during the day, I just have the same one. I did empty this out for this video because I do need to put it away and pull out something new, even though I'm getting a little tired of it. A few years ago, I did a tag that was like bag of the month, and every month I chose a different bag, and that really made me use my collection. I should go back to that. But really what tends to happen with this bag is that I'll pull out something, I'll use it, and then I'll pull this out and use it for 2 to 3 weeks. And then I'll pull out a new bag and I'll use it for a week, and then I'll pull this out and use it for 2 to 3 weeks, on and on and on. So that's how much action this purse sees. So I've said how old it is, I've seen how much action it sees. Oh yeah, this is the old model, so it's the red interior. It has that cursive lining and the pocket is attached. It does not, it doesn't have the pouch that removes. Again, that should give you an idea of how old this bag is, because I think they changed the version model maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. They added that removable pouch. So I was always a fan of this simple one like this. If I was to, and I purposely actually bought this around the time the change occurred, and I purposely looked for one with the attachedness in here. Oh, mine also has that little tag that says made in America or something here. Doesn't bother me. Yeah. So, okay. So that tells you how long I've had this bag. It tells you which version of this bag it is, how often I use this bag. I've had no complaints about this bag. I'm not gonna say it's pristine. It's not. This bag gets used. Okay. The inside, I try to clean it out here and there, but it's dirty. There's some marks down there at the bottom. I try to wipe them down, but they're there. There's probably some lint in here. There's some little pen marks. I mean, this would be gently used, if not, you know, well used. I gonna try to sell this and pass it off as something new. I will say this though, the canvas is in excellent shape. There, guys, there's no cracks on the canvas. I don't know why, but for some strange reason, I've avoided getting those little white marks, those little white scratches that occur sometimes on Louis Vuitton purses, canvas. I've avoided getting this on that, so I'm pretty happy about that. And to clean it, I just wipe it down with an alcohol-free, scent-free, everything-free wipe. I just wipe down the canvas, and I wipe down the inside as well. So that tells you the canvas is excellent shape. So next, let's talk about the brass pieces on here. The inside pieces, I hope you can see that. Beautiful. It's still very yellow. I don't use this clip very often, which would explain that. But this side here, still very yellow. This side you can see scratches from the clip, obviously, but it's still pretty yellow. It's starting to tarnish and the silver is coming through, but it still looks pretty good. My zipper pull, no issues. And closes in and out. The zipper, great condition. The pull itself, still yellow. Still very nice and yellow. These grommets on the inside that say Louis Vuitton, still very yellow. So no issues there. This is still kind of yellow, these rings here. You can tell, I'm trying to find it. There's one, I try to rotate where I put my round coin purse. Every once in a while I will hook a round coin purse onto this ring, or I'll put like a luggage tag like this. I try to rotate where I put that so that they get evenly tarnished, if that's a word. But some of them show a little bit more silver than others. I'll try to show that. But yeah, so no issues there. No issues there. Where I do have issues, which is something I expect and not something I'm terribly upset about, but it's something where I think, excuse me, it's something I think eventually I might want to get it taken care of. Well, one thing I'll definitely want to get taken care of. The straps. So one of the straps looks worse than the others. The bottom here, where the straps are attached to the canvas, that looks great. I've seen bags where there's cracking here at the stuff there. I don't think mine is showing an issue there. I'm quite happy with that. When I do store this bag, I store it upright like this. I put it in its dust bag, but the straps stick out. I don't store this bag hanging like this. Okay? And when I'm carrying it, obviously it's like this. And when it's in my house, because I've been using it and I come home and I put it on something, it stays like this. Okay, so I think that has helped, although it's flopping over now, I think that has helped minimize getting those squiggly lines that we'll often see here on this bag. The thing that I've noticed though is that the leather is not as shiny. If you look at the straps here versus the leather here, you can see it's dulled. I carry this handheld sometimes. I carry it over my shoulder. I just consider that use, you know, what it's gonna look like. If you guys know how to clean that strap so it looks better, let me know. I've thought about wiping it down with leather conditioner, and I've thought about something else, but it's glazed leather, so that's what's made me not do anything with it yet. So, but yeah, so that's there. I also don't have any other cracks or anything like that on these straps. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, my issue really is just here. The straps are duller than they are towards the bottom. Okay, this leather that goes around the canvas, I wouldn't say I have cracks in it, but I have wrinkles. I have wrinkles along the folds, there and there. It gets a little wrinkly here, obviously, where it curves. Again, for a purse that I use as much as I do, it is what it is. These are the things I can live with. What it is that I'm most upset about, I will show you guys. This is the thing. I was looking at it the one time, I was like, oh, hell no, that doesn't look right. So I was looking at these straps here. this one looks great. The thing is gold. Everything is pretty, right? Right? I looked at this one. Everything looks not so good. Damn it. Look. The leather, not to make it any worse, but the leather split. Trying to find the best way to show that. There. I don't know if you can see it, but here. I can put my finger in through the leather. I can put my finger in through the split in the leather. I've never seen that on another purse. Maybe I haven't watched enough videos, review videos of this. I want to say I noticed it about a month, maybe 2 months ago, so it's something that's fairly new. So what do? Do I try to glue it back together myself? Or do I take it to LV? Is there leather glue? Can I take it to a cobbler? I don't know. Have you guys seen this? I'm really I'm agitated. It's actually the reason why I've decided to give this bag a break, because I thought, oh, it's just going to get worse. And the bag still looks so good. So something like that really just irritated me. Maybe I'll just have my my cobbler where I take my shoes take a look at it. So, but yeah, other than that, like I said, everything else about this bag is still really good, and I still love this bag. So we'll see. I'll update you guys if I do something different. So, well, I hope you enjoyed my super quick review of a Neverfull, Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the PM size, in the damier print. Guys, watch my what's in my bag featuring this bag. I know so many people complain and say it's so tiny, but it fits a lot. I mean a lot. So watch that video and be amazed, because this is actually one of the roomiest purses I have, and I love it. And if you, I think I just recommend that people go into Louis Vuitton and try it. Don't see it on somebody else and go, that bag is tiny, because it's actually the perfect size, in my opinion. I wouldn't travel with it, you know, I'd use something bigger, but this bag is it. So thanks guys for watching. Love you guys. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. All right.